On behalf of the faculty of the College of Technology, Architecture, and Applied Engineering, I am pleased and honored to present these candidates and recommend them for degrees. Congratulations, graduates.
College of Technology, Architecture, and Applied Engineering. Zainab Saleh Alaji, Tahir Alulaimi, Ali Hussein Ali Ibrahim, Muhammad K. Almajidi, Sajad Nazar Asaleh, Abdullah Ibrahim M. Al-Sharani, Yusuf Saleh A. Al-Zahrani, Timothy Mark Anthony, Joshua Tyler Armour, Anthony Cole Baldwin, Colton R. Batten, Nathan Eric Baumgartner, Zachary Dean Beard, Andrew Frederick Betts II, William J. Bodkin, Kimberly Renee Bordenkircher, Ryan Douglas Borders, Scott A. Bauer, Daniel Joseph Bowerman, Erica Jean Brankovich, Dylan Michael Byers, Todd Carico, Samuel John Sia, Cole Nathaniel Clark, Austin Michael Coleman, Justin Andrew Decker, Tyler Lewis DeCouzy, Zachary Richard Dreyer, Katrina Dudek, Donald Scott Dunford, Connor T. Erdodi, Chad E. Fletcher, Adam J. Fortunato, Joshua Daniel Galat, Benjamin L. Ganiver, Sandy Lynn Guernsey, Luke Allen Hagemeyer, Samantha Jane Hahn, Justin Howard Heiss, Savannah Elena Heisey, Roland Holloman III, William James Hollowell, Aaron Lamar Holmes, Jesse Jason Hook, James Anthony Horgan, Nicholas M. Horton, Joshua Allen House, Jared Lee Houts, Brianna May Hummel, Isaac S. James, Jeffrey Michael Janik, Cameron Lee Johnson, Kiefer S. Jones, Caleb Charles Jones, Morgan Lee Kessler, Kurth Matthew Kinney, Nicholas Ryan Kuzmaik, Sean Paul Leary, Justine Noel Logan, Benjamin Michael Loomis, Chad William Lufer, Nicholas James Martucci, Brianna Elizabeth Marty, Jonathan Harry McElhatton, Easton Lane McNeil, Jared Cade Mellick, John Q. Michaels, Alexander Kevin Meekus, Caden Lance Moore, Jacob Matthew Morris, Brittany Elizabeth Murdoch, Alex Willis Murphy, Sarah Erica Neal, Taylor Dean Nur, Salif Nakima, Caleb Noble, Mitchell Patrick O'Connor, Layden Hope Page, Mark Stephen Peterson, Richard Michael Pieper, Michael Joseph Prate, Joseph Edwin Pribe, Jeffrey William Proant, Colin Nicholas Pruder, Grant Eugene Rader, Caitlin Donnell Ramp, Landon Richards, Cody L. Roberts, Jacob Carl Roberts, Cameron Scott Roll, Andrew John Roche, Dale Robert Rawson, Connor Shaw, Cole Ray Schlesner, Adam Charles Schramm, Travis Matthew Schultz, Carrie M. Sheldon, Adam G. Sluice, Quinn Anthony Smith, Christopher J. Smith, John Tobias Spangers, Muhammad Sadiq A. Subera, Timothy Justin Tanner Blair, Christina Nicole Tucker, Ellis Todd Ulrey, Clint Michael Van Hoos, Alec Parker Vrieslar, Robert Brian West, Anthony Wayne Whitaker, Carissa K. Wise, Emily Marie Wittig,